Let's open the Deluxe air fryer and oven. Just a note, this box is heavy. I like to place the box on the ground or on a low table to easily remove the product. First thing you'll notice is the paperwork at the top, but we'll go through that in a little bit. Now it's time to take out the appliance. Grab it on the diagonal corners and lift. Inside you will find 2 air fryer racks, 1 wire rack, 2 crumb trays, and don't forget to look under the bottom styrofoam piece for the sheet pan. Next, remove all of the packaging from the appliance, like this tape that secures the doors for shipping. When you remove the packaging from the cord, notice that there is cord storage right there so you can easily wrap up the cord when you're not using it. To open the top door, push the top button in and pull down. Repeat with the bottom compartment. To open both compartments at the same time, simply grab the middle of the top handle and pull down. It's important to open the doors this way to remove the bottom crumb tray. Place the Deluxe air fryer and oven on the counter with at least 6 inches cleared around each side of the appliance. Now that the appliance is all set up, it's important to read your use and care because it will teach you how to use your appliance properly so you get the best experience and the most delicious results. After you've completed the initial test run outlined in the use and care, check out the cooking guide that includes fun recipes to help you get started with your appliance. Or check out the handy charts in the front of the guide. If you don't know where to start, try something simple like chicken nuggets. Look at how delicious these came out. And just like that, your possibilities are endless with the new Deluxe air fryer and oven.